guys, welcome back. I'm Tabitha Duenas and I have Summer with me here today. She is absolutely stunning, and in this video we are going to be talking about gray coverage, suitability, what product to choose and why. We are also going to be adding some dimension with foil highlights. In between those foils, I'm going to be correcting the tone of her hair. So for a consultation, she was saying that she felt like her hair had a lot of red and orange tones. She definitely likes to have a more neutral tone. Even with her highlights, instead of them being a caramel tone, she wants them to be more beige. Just inspecting her hair, she really only has maybe less than 20% gray. They are very fine and I really have to search for them. I was explaining to Summer that the reason why her hair has these red-orange tones to it is because of the product that her base color has been. So she's been getting, it probably isn't even a permanent color, but even like a demi-permanent, something that is more alkaline, will have a fading process of turning red and orange. Let's just use a completely acidic color like ShadesEQ. We're doing gray blending, not gray coverage. So that what that means is after your color service today, you can search around. You may be able to see that it's not all one color. They're not going to be gray, but they're going to be a shade of brown. You're going to see a iridescence of different shades basically throughout at the root area. And then I'm going to be adding some dimension, and she does have some highlights, but because I need to color over this brown in order to get rid of the reddish and orange tones, I need to put some highlights in on her base. And then in between, through the mids and ends, I'm going to be painting on in between the foils. So that's going to be getting rid of the red and orange. We're gonna let that process, wash it, and then we're gonna tone her highlights and she'll be good to go. Super natural. I want her to be 3 parts brown, 1 part highlight. So I'm gonna come in. Another thing that can help with that is painting higher on one side, just so that it doesn't look like it has a blunt demarcation. So because Redken Shades is a more translucent color, that's why I chose to put the level 4 in there. I really like to use the Sheila Stotz brush. You can use a wet brush as well, just to get this product combed through larger sections of hair. We've finished her application and we're going to set a timer now for 15 minutes. So the grays covered really, really well. We got pretty much 100% coverage here. I think because her hair is on the finer side and it's like less than 20% gray, we got a really good amount of coverage. This looks amazing. This is going to be long-term better for her using an acidic color because it's not going to oxidize red. This is very, very good for brunettes. We also added some dimension, which is really pretty. It's very gradient, very melted. And then we also got rid of all the red that was going on through her mids and ends. Got a lot done. She looks absolutely stunning. I think this looks so pretty on her skin with her eye color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.